guys, as you know, I am Yasha Taran. We were gonna play Pinoy Henyo with my best friend, Ate Kayan.
So we're actually new to this channel, so subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your families.
That's our
Power. Okay, so we're gonna play Pinoy Henyo. So as you know, we're Filipinos. So if you don't know Pinoy Henyo, it's like Yoshabel is gonna whisper to you guys, and I'm gonna be over there not hearing anything about Yoshabel whispering it. And then Yosha is gonna like say a clue where it's like it's my favorite food, then I'm gonna like say, so I'm gonna like think of it, and then when I finally guessed it, it's actually fried chicken, right? Okay, starting game.
Our category is color. What's our favorite color?
Hi guys, my favorite color is color pink. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, I'm just gonna guess like random colors. Wait, I kinda know your favorite color.
What? What's my favorite?
Pink.
Oh, that's it.
So,
My turn.
so if you don't know, we're not cheating. We're actually just really close friends. And the next category is
What's next category?
wait.
Food.
Oh,
What?
different from that. Okay, doon ka sa may bigas. Yan, doon na lang pala sa sa rep.
What's our categories?
It's wait,
Favorite pets.
favorite places. Okay. Okay. Guess.
I'm gonna guess it. What is it? Favorite place? Playground.
No.
A sentence.
No, closer.
A sentence.
You're getting cold. You're getting closer.
Pure gold.
No.
As a Rosario.
No. It's close to pure gold.
Pure gold.
Guess. Time is ticking. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, here's a clue. I always go there when it's my birthday.
Oh, wait. I know that.
Okay, say it.
Fortunately, that girl is a big deal for me.
Iba. Okay. Ano?
Stadium.
Malapit. Be, sirit ka na.
Yes.
Hindi mo alam yung skating?
Oh.
Okay, she's turn. What category?
Food.
Okay. She is a big fan of foods. She cannot sleep well if she doesn't eat food.
Okay. Our
Ay,
category.
narinig kita.
I will whisper you.
Usually, ito na lang kayo para marinig ng viewers.
My favorite.
Ate Kayan, I'm already done.
Food?
It's two food.
Adobo.
Yes.
Chicken.
No.
Sinigang.
Yes.
See, I really know her. We've been childhood friends since the past. Since we were
What's
born.
next?
Okay. Today, we're gonna play Close Your Eyes and the Real Pinoy Henyo. You know?
Oh, okay.
Okay, close your eyes. Wait, I'm just gonna search Google. Wait, okay, so this game is Pinoy Henyo also, but a different, not whispering, but putting something on there, like a word.
And then we were gonna say people, bagay, like that. Food, places, like that.
Yeah. Wait, baka makita mo. Close your eyes. Wait lang. Close mo muna mata. Close na ha. Ready na ako.
Yes. Alright, I'm closing it.
Wait lang. Oh my god, it's logging.
Huh?
Naglalog. Ayun. Okay, close na. Okay,
Ah?
guess. No.
Bagay.
No.
Pagkain.
Yes.
Jollibee. Oh, that's my favorite.
Yeah, it's both our
Next.
favorite.
Go here to my place. I will find.
Okay, mag-search ka lang dyan sa Google.
Okay, just searching.
Okay, piling ko masyado na mahaba. Pagkatapos mo, tas nag-guess ko na. Saan?
I'm just thinking.
It's taking a pretty while. It's already been 5 minutes. Yosha, alam ko na pag naging 5 minutes na yung orasan, o kaya naging 6 minutes, titigil na tayo. Kasi masyado na mahaba yun.
Close your eyes.
Tao?
Okay.
Tao?
No?
Bagay?
No?
Hayop?
Yes?
Aso?
No?
Pusa?
Yes. It looks like lemon.
Oh!